Malawi Brief.
Ku Bingu International Convention Center BICC kumene bungwe la Malawi Electoral Commission MEC motsogozedwa ndi wapampando Justice Annabel Mtalimanja akhale akulankhula kwa atolankhani. Utu ndi msonkhano mene aufuna atsimikizire komanso auze mtundu wa Malawi zina zimene ndithu komishoni yabweretsa. Ndiye afika kale mnyumba muno kuti chita ndithu mopereka uthenga wawo. Pali zambiri zimene anthu akuchita ndithu momapenekera koma kwakukulu timve kuchokera kwa iwowa kuti kodi akutibweretsera zotani.
We now come to the final results. Therefore, in accordance with Section 95, subsection 6B of the Presidential, Parliamentary and Local Government Elections Act, the Commission resolved that the candidate who has attained the greatest number of valid votes be declared duly elected as Member of Parliament for the Lilongwe seat in Tandile Nsiriza constituency. The results for the constituency are as follows. Ruth Jingwalu, Independent, 1,610 votes. Gangata Alfred Luwani, DPP, 12,369 votes. Mituka LC UTM, 1,313 votes. Pili Linda Afford, 97 votes. Zulu George Charles, MCP, 12,360 votes. Total number of valid votes, 27,749. Total number of void votes, 288. Total number of votes, 28,037. Total number of registered voters, 37,617. Therefore, Gangata Alfred Luwani of Democratic Progressive Party is the winner for the parliamentary election in Lilongwe City in Tandile Nsiriza constituency. The Commission will issue a final result and publish the same in the Gazette. I thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chair, for the declaration from the Commission. As communicated before, I had said that this is a declaration of the results, therefore there will be no question and answers at the end of it. So, as a matter of protocol, allow me to invite Mr. Spio Hawe again to close with a prayer. Thank you.